Wi-Fi makes our routines convenient and our life more comfortable. We can quickly tell Alexa to turn on lights or adjust the temperature of the house. Watch Netflix on a smart TV while checking your social media accounts on your phone. All of these things are possible thanks to the Wi-Fi. But there's a price for this wireless technology. It emits electromagnetic radiation like microwaves. Wi-Fi radiation is not safe. How can you reduce Wi-Fi radiation in our home? Do we need to cut off the internet forever? Good news, you can still be connected on the internet while reduces your EMF exposure with this alternative. Swap wireless with wired internet. Wired not only emits less EMF, but it is even more secure, faster, and reliable than wireless. And you can DIY these steps, or hire an expert if you are not a techie. If you want to do it yourself, this guide may help you. Get the equipment and stuff you need in transitioning to a wired internet. Most of the internet providers are leasing you a modem as part of your plan. If you don't have a modem, you better buy one. Some router comes with wireless capability, and that's okay. As long as you pick a modem where you can turn off the Wi-Fi broadcasting. There are a lot of options of modems out there. Pick a modem that is compatible with your internet provider and with lower bandwidth, so it only produces minimal EMF radiation itself. Get Ethernet cables and an Ethernet switch too. The switch is for connecting several internet cables for your different devices. Count first how many units in your home that needs a wired connection so you can pick a brand with enough ports for your devices. Choose for a reinforced or shielded for your Ethernet cables. They work perfectly in reducing EMF emission too. You can get an Ethernet cable for each device that needed to connect, but some may share on one cable if they are not in use at the same time. Don't forget to get plug-in and run cables. Now that you got all the equipment needed, time to get started. Plug your modem and set up based on the user's manual from your internet service company. Wait until there is an internet connection before you plug the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the modem. Connect the other end to your Ethernet switch once it has when the Ethernet switch is live and connected. Now time to run cables from the switch to different rooms that needed internet access. You may need to drill the wires through the floor or ceiling for multiple levels in your home. Put the cables under the carpet or tape it to the walls. But it will look neat if the wires are behind the wall and with a port in different rooms. Connect your devices after installing the Ethernet cables to all rooms. You can now plug your smart televisions, desktop computers, video game consoles, and the rest devices with an Ethernet port. Your cell phone is not included, but you can use a desktop computer or laptop with a wired connection. Both gadgets are safer for EMF output when you surf the web. The last process is to turn off the Wi-Fi on the modem and all the connected devices. This might take time if you got several gadgets. Just check user's manual for each device. There are several reasons why a hardwired internet connection is better than Wi-Fi. It works faster, it delivers consistent speed, and most of all, it cuts down your home's EMF level. Although the wired connection required money for pieces of equipment and effort for cable installation in every room needed the internet, all are worth it. Most especially if protecting your family from EMF radiation is your top priority.